are you guys? Please, 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 if you're tuning in, hit the subscribe button right now, the notification button. Please like, share, do all that stuff, good stuff. Tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel and help us grow this community where we are here to sharpen each other, to lift each other up, and to grow off for the glory of God. Drum roll. On Saturday, May 31st at 6 p.m., Mr. Colaz Smith, as I like to call him, aka Pastor Smith, he's out here doing God's will, doing what God designed him to do in his unique way outside of the four walls of the churches. I tell y'all, I love church. I'm a church girl. I serve in the church day and night, but I also know and understand that God uses us outside of the four walls. He uses us to reach others, and he uses us to do his goodwill and pleasure like he's using Mr. Colaz Smith to do. So Colaz Smith is coming to my church, Horak Ministries in Austin, New York, on Saturday, May 31st. We are hosting a fundraising benefit concert. It's called Gospel Extravaganza 2025. And Colaz has a great heart. Him and Marlon Chung from Pay It Forward Missions and Auntie Pauline. I also represent not just Grace to Grow, but also the Journey to the Cross and Beyond Ministries, which is a nonprofit doing great things. You can jump on over to Marlon's channel and watch the, little meetup that we had, and, got to talk to him about some of the things that we're doing. And also our Hope Through Education project, where we personally, I just paid school fees today, take care of about 30 kids in Nigeria, my husband's hometown. We also sponsored kids in Haiti and also Jamaica, where we're heavily involved with these children that are living in high poverty, human trafficking, rape, orphanage, parents killed, parents in prison, and Colaz Smith and Marlon, they like what we're doing, and they are joining with us for this benefit fundraising concert. It is going to be epic. I gotta give Mr. Smith his props. His heart is genuine, and he is definitely a sincere person, and we appreciate that he sees the work that we're doing and is partnering with us for this benefit concert. He is going to be the MC and the host. So if
Wagwan me G.
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. You don't know, anytime you come out, real talk. Anyway, how you do out there? How you feel? You feel good? All right. I'm very happy, very glad. And as always, you feeling any pain? I hope you're not feeling no pain. And if you are feeling any pain, check the doctor. Call the doctor. And if you can't check or call the doctor, make somebody take you to the doctor. So that means you can get some help. So you can be here, there, and everywhere you want to be. Remember, I want to see you every day in no pain. Remember, no pain again. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here with another video. This video, me go talk about a few things in this video. Most of all, me go talk about some positive, some beautiful things where are going and where is about to go on. My viewers and subscribers, this is what we supposed to be using the platform for. This is things that we're supposed to be using another content creator name for. Introducing. Welcome to me. Anyway, guys, I want to talk to you about Colaz Smith. going to be a MC at a gospel extravaganza 2025 in a New York, Saturday, May 31st. Starting time 6 p.m. Guys, hear what me I talk about. The time we, you notice me always I say we. The time we are taking to be negative against other content creators, it is time. It is full time now that we use our platform to help, to guide people in the right direction. There is kids out there that need help. There is kids out there that want our help, need our service, need our presence. And we can't have it. Meanwhile, some of us is on YouTube cursing, bearing down on each other, fighting against each other. A church in New York reach out to Marlon and Colaz Smith. And you don't know from the church reach out to Colaz Smith, not even go look and ask when, where, why, or how. Him gone. So guys, this is what we're supposed to be doing on our channel. Supporting each other. Support a person who is doing more supporting of other people. Because the more we talk about Colaz Smith, the more we share his page, the more we try to get him to 200 to 250K, is the better for him to help other people. Sometimes it don't really matter how much people he have as subscribers, because guess what? Once people hear that he will be there, they're going. So let's do this. This event that Colaz Smith will be a part of. If you cannot make it to this event, try to go on the website or try to find out where the website is and purchase a ticket. Even though you cannot make it, try and purchase a ticket. Reach out to Colaz Smith, reach out to the lady, I think her name is Grace. Reach out to them, try to purchase a ticket if you cannot make it, because guess what? Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV is going to purchase a ticket. And I go tell you something. I go do something more. I am going to purchase one ticket for a content creator. And I'm not going to tell you who it is until I figure out how to purchase that ticket. One for me, one for that content creator, even though that content creator cannot make it. But I'm going to purchase one for me and one for that content creator. Nobody know who that content creator is until I have the ticket in my hand and I go show it. I am putting my support out there for these kids that Colaz Smith is going to be the MC of that Gospel Extravaganza 2025, May 31st in New York. I think the place name Singing, New York. Something like that, it name. I don't know if it's New York City, but I think it's 81 Creighton Avenue or Creighton Avenue, Osinni, something like that. You see it on the posters. So, guys, the tickets are $50 and $60 at the door. So it's $50 in advance, 60 at the door. So if you purchase a ticket elsewhere, or if you purchase a ticket online, I think you will get it $10 cheaper. Now, guys, this is something that I really believe you should use your platform, push it out, and make us as content creator put some help in to somebody, some kids hand. They need food, they need books, they need this church. This church help kids all over the world. Nigeria, Guyana, Jamaica, all over the world. So what we can do is help and support what is going on. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to let Colaz Smith do a little talking about this thing that this event, this extravaganza that is going, not a thing, this extravaganza that is going to be the host of. So, Mr. Colaz Smith, take it away. Take it away, sir.
Good morning to each and everybody that is watching this video. All right, so real quick and fast, this will not be a long video. Just want to share some pieces of information with you guys. So I don't know how many of you saw the last community post where I made with a flyer that I will be hosting another gospel concert. So I'm going to put that information on screen because I don't remember everything out of my head. We've been working extensively on the cabin and also the pink house, which hopefully we will find a name for it soon because I feel like the pink house starting to stick. But anyways, so I'm just getting a little time to share with you guys. Coming up in August, you know, we will be heading over to Nigeria with a church group. I'll give you guys more info on that as well. We're going to be having a 3-day VBS. I think that stands for Vacation Bible School. And on that mission, we aim to be, you know, feeding over 1,000 kids, right? So over 1,000 kids, we hope that we can feed them, you know, get some back to school supplies for them, clothes, you know, other little necessities to kind of help them in their everyday life. See? So when the church reach out to me, I'm going to give you guys more info on that as, you know, we go forward. I'm just kind of talking at it off the top of my head now. So when the church reach out to me and basically, you know, ask if I wanted to be a part of this, of course I could not say no, because, you know, I'm all for giving back and I'm all for helping, and this, I believe, is a great initiative, you know, by the church. So, you know, they were basically sharing with me that last year, you know, they did it and they ran out of food and they had to, you know, turn back a couple of the kids. And you can just imagine, you can just picture how, you know, heartbreaking that must have been for both, you know, the kids who were turned back and also the persons who, you know, were in charge of giving them food. And
You're doing.
I am asking you guys for your support. The 31st of this month, which is May, I will be coming to New York to do a gospel concert, and proceedings from that gospel concert will aid towards that VBS in August. Let me say that again. So what we will be doing is keeping a concert to raise funds so that we can, basically put towards buying supplies for the kids over in Nigeria and other stuff, so clothes, whatever it is. All right, so the tickets are on sale, and if you check the flyer, which I hope will be on the screen now, you will see the price. Tickets are $50, and you will see where you can purchase them from online. And if you come to the venue and basically pay to come in, you will pay $60 instead. All right, so if you can grab the ticket, you get it $10 cheaper. So if you come at the gate, it will be $60. All right, and like I said, that will go towards purchasing stuff for that VBS in August. All right, also I will be taking a couple of the guys with me. Will not be the full team. Let me say that again. It will not be the full team, but I will be taking at least 2 or 3 of them with me on that trip to Nigeria, because we will need all the help that we can get. All right, and that is going to be a whole lot. See, so I am also going to be creating a GoFund for the period, right? For that, from now, let's say we're in May, June, July, August. So 3 months that GoFundMe will run for, up until the date or close to the date that we, will be heading over to Nigeria. So that you guys from different countries, different states, who might not or will not be able to attend our gospel concert that we're keeping on the 31st of this month, will still be able to make your contribution towards that. And the reason for the GoFundMe is because it is more transparent, so persons can see exactly how much money was raised and all of that. All right, and we will fully document all of this, as we go on the trips. You guys will see us in Nigeria doing this beautiful thing.
So guys, see there. That is what I go on. You hear it from Colaz himself. Also, you hear something. Colaz I go to Nigeria in August. I want gospel show where I go make more money. Then I go feed kids. Then going to try to give the kids them books and bags and all kind of things. So what I want to do is go over on Colaz channel. He will tell you no more about it. The only thing me I do is I try to send you go over there, and if you don't know subscribe as yet, go and go subscribe to Colaz, Colaz Smith TV. Help him. The road is 250K. Yeah man, because if we can go 250K by August. So that means it can help him channel to grow even bigger. So that means it can help more people over Nigeria. Also, him say him a go start a GoFundMe. So that means people, you can put any amount of money, $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, $100. It doesn't matter how much money, or it doesn't matter which part you're there. If you're in a Jamaica, if you're in a New York, if you're in the US, Canada, which part again, England, Caribbean, any which part of there, help for support, because what them I do, what Colaz I do, with along with Grace and Marlon and the team over the Lady Church, them are trying to support some kids right around the world. And that is what we as content creator should be doing, helping to support these people who is big supporters of people, young and old. Also, guys, I have a thing that I'm coming up with that I need you all to support me on. I'll give you the information sometime soon as I get all the information. It's also about a church. So you don't know it go. We go have to do better. We need to do better and we need to have respect and love and care for each other because we need it right now. The kids them need help. Yeah, man, the kids them need help. Kids across the world are go through a lot of trial, tribulation, and crosses, and we need them to get some support. And if we can support them, we need to support them. And if we can support the people who are support them, that is what we need to do. We need to use our platform smart, sensible, and stop use our platform to break down each other. That is what we need to use our platform to do. And to each and every one out there, if you can go online, because I just realized you can get the ticket is online. Yes, the ticket is online. That and that flyer where you see post there, the way of getting the tickets is online. So you can go online, purchase a ticket. Yeah, man, purchase a ticket. Even no matter which part you live. If you live at England, purchase a ticket. If you live at Canada, purchase a ticket because when you purchase a ticket, you're supporting colors and you're supporting the kids them. Because if you watch colors or if you watch me or whosoever you watch, give a shout out and also go over and support Colaz Smith and this gospel extravaganza 2025 in singing in New York on Saturday, May 31st. And it will start 6 p.m. And remember, $50 online, $60 at the door. Very nice event. It look like it going to be a very nice event. Cause remember, Colaz Smith are gonna be the host. So I you know how him work when him a host. You know. Him enjoy every minute of it. Every minute of it. So my viewers and subscribers, that is what me really want to bring forth and talk about. Me now make this video too long because me just want each and everyone to realize negative is not the way for we go right now. Make we go positive. Make we try to help the youth them because you want the youth them live where them learn. And if we are do what we are do and them are see what we are do, then go continue do the wrongs, the bad, and then go continue grow and then now go stop do the wrongs. And then we go blame them with them when all we have to do is blame ourselves because we are the role model. They follow us. Everything them see we do, them follow us. If them see we cuss, them will go and cuss too. So all me I try to say is let us live as one. If you don't like what me say and you say something about it, let us stop the name calling. Let us stop the bad living. However, listen me good now, you know. Don't say me mix up. If there is something to talk about it, man. If I do something, talk about it, man. If Colaz do something, talk about it. Who again? If Oliver do something, talk about it. If who again? If anyone do something, talk about it. But if there is nothing to talk about, don't talk about anybody parents or anybody wife or anybody. Don't do that. Because it don't make sense because all that go do is bill. So all we need to do is right now, colors need our help. Yes, colors need our help. So what we need to do, jump on the wagon. We could drive the wagon to positivity. We could help put some money in these people pocket so that them can feed these kids and get these kids what they want. And also, they also can go to Nigeria and have a wonderful trip in August. And remember, as Kola said, him go bring a couple of the team members. We don't know who him go bring. Sometime down the road, him go say who him go bring. So people are gonna get happy, excited, and we there. We go carry the information come to who no connect to Colaz Smith. And you know me I say, even though the people when you connect to Colaz Smith, connect to us. Go and go connect to Colaz, man. Help him for the 2000, road to 2000 by August. Make we see if we can line up Colaz to get 250 subscriber by August. That sound. Road to 250 by August. All right. So make we do it. Make we try it. As a matter of fact, make we do it. Not make we try it. Just make we do it. Yeah, man. Make we do it and make we go after it. Make we help him to grow and help him to be strong. Because the stronger him is, the stronger him team is the better help him and go help people. How that sound? How me sound? Comment down below and tell me how me sound. What you think. Remember, also, I want 1,000 thumbs up. And I can't get 1,000 thumbs up. Oh no, I want to. Give me 1,000 of them yeah. Thumbs up. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, no say a word. Peace and love. And remember, support Colors. Support Rodney's lifestyle, Real Talk TV, and EOM. Support all content creators. And remember, subscribers, viewers, remember you have the power in your hand. Your hand them is the power. Talk to the content creator them. Tell them when them are do wrong. Tell them when them are do right. And make them know say you need to stop the negativity. Talk to them. Tell them. Then the consequence after you talk to them and them no hack, it's up to them. Peace and love. I'm out. Now say a word.